So, from what I hear, the way to figure out how much you pay for solar is to take the kilowatts of your array and multiply it by, you said about like $3 a kilowatt. Is that correct? About $3 a kilowatt?
In the industry, you're going to find $3 a watt to a little bit less than $3 a watt to be a market value price for solar in 2021.
Cool. Okay. So now I bought my solar array in 2018, but nevertheless, I looked up my agreement and it looks like I paid, if by your calculation, paying $21,000 for a 7.15 kilowatt system would be a good target. And now I looked at my contract here. I paid $15,000. I paid $6,000 less for my. I'm overjoyed. Look at the deal that I got. Except, Julian, I paid $14,000 for installation and permitting.
Well, that's where they got you.
How much should I be paying for installation and permitting? And by the way, like, Julian's in San Diego. I'm in San Diego. Like, these fees are the same. How much are the fees in San Diego for permitting?
Your average set of plans is going to be about $600, and to go submit that to the city and get a permit is probably around another $600 or so.
Okay, and installation?
It's going to depend, of course, upon many factors. But even if you were to hire a subcontractor or do a homeowner build where you're just hiring the installation directly, you're probably not going to be looking at anything over $200 a panel.
Is this possibly why I've experienced such great customer service with Tesla? Do they look at my contract and go, "Oh, look, he paid just as much as installation as he did for his panels. Let's make sure we answer his call."
Have you been experiencing your calls being taken?
My calls have been taken.
Oh, that's good. Well, I mean, if we want to talk positively about Tesla for 5 minutes, we can. What do you want to do?
I want you to, well, tell me this. The whole point of this interview that we're going to have in a little bit, which, and I'm going to put some links obviously here and down in the description, but I want to help other people make smart decisions about going solar. Going solar was a great decision. No matter how much I paid, going solar was for me a great decision. Julian, as far as pricing is concerned, what is your best advice for going shopping for solar?
So a few minutes ago, right, I referred to that like $3 a watt figure, or maybe a little bit below $3 a watt. That pricing is for the entire package, all the equipment, the installation, the plans and the permits, everything, the monitoring, the interconnection, getting your system inspected and passed with the city. That is a total project price. So that's $3 a watt just for equipment. Crazy. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the whole deal, someone taking care of it from cover to cover, and you waking up one day and you have solar on your house without you really having to do anything.
Look, I did a full-length interview with Julian where I asked him all the questions I could think of about decisions that people make and mistakes that people make. Check out the full-length interview. Check out Julian's channel, and hope to see you there.